Hi, welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we learn about the definition of discrete random variable and continuous random variable, and let us see their examples. As in the previous video, we learned that there are two types of random variables. One is discrete random variable. The second one is continuous random variable. First, we learn about discrete random variable. A random variable which takes only countable number of values. A random variable which takes only countable number of values is called a discrete random variable. In other words, a random variable, a real valued function defined on a discrete sample space, is called a discrete random variable. This is again a simple definition. A random variable which takes only countable number of values. A random variable which takes only countable number of values is called a discrete random variable. Or in other words, a real valued function which is defined on discrete sample space. Again here, discrete sample space means the outcomes or the number of elements in the sample space must be finite and countable. Here, discrete sample space means the sample space contains only limited number of elements which are countable, is called a discrete random variable. Let us see the examples to this discrete random variable. Right? Marks obtained in a test must represent a discrete random variable. Number of births in a city, very clear, they are finite and countable. The number of accidents per month, very clear, countable. The number of students in a class, again, the number is countable and finite. The number of points turned on the face of a die, yes, very clear. That number must be countable as well as finite. So, a random variable is said to be discrete random variable if it takes or if it is defined over only countable number of elements or countable number of outcomes, or it is defined a real valued function which is defined on a discrete sample space. Then we say that the random variable is discrete random variable. And here, let us see the examples, which are simple examples. Marks obtained in a test, very clearly that is a finite number and also countable. Marks must be countable. Number of births in a particular city, always countable and finite. Number of accidents per month, countable and finite. Number of students in a class, very clearly countable and finitely countable. Number of points turned on the face of a die, again finite and countable. All these are examples of discrete random variable. Yes, let us see the definition of continuous random variable. A random variable capital X is said to be continuous. A random variable capital X is said to be continuous if it can take all possible values, a integral as well as fractional. In case of discrete, we observe that there must be integer values are there. For a discrete random variable, there are only integer values, especially positive integer values. But in case of continuous random variable, it takes all integer values as well as fractional values between certain limits. In other words, a random variable is said to be continuous when its different values cannot be put into one-to-one correspondence with a set of positive integers. It means it is not possible to form a one-to-one function. Between the domain of the random variable and the set of positive integers. So observe that. Very, very important definition. A random variable capital X is said to be continuous if it can take all possible values. It means all the integral values and fractional values. Integral values means all positive integer values as well as fractional values like 1/2 or 1/3 or 0.6 like that. In between certain limits. Or in other words, a random variable is said to be continuous when its different values cannot be put, that is the important word, cannot be put in one-to-one correspondence with a set of positive integers. To understand these, let us see the examples. Age of a group of persons. Age of a group of persons, always not necessarily a positive integer. The age may be different from year, from person to person, from minute to minute, from second to second, from days to days. It means if there are 4 people, they have different ages with days, with months, like that. 14 years, 2 days, 2 months, and 2 days and 10 hours, and 15 years or 14 years, 14 years, 4 months, 2 months, 4 months and 2 days, like that. So year may be, age may be, it all continuously changes. Weights and weights of competitors in a game. The temperature recorded in a city. Temperature also time to time it can be changes. So in case of continuous random variable, so the values of the random variable may be changes from time to time. It depends upon time. From change, they changes from time to time. The best example is temperature and age of the group of people. So they always changes from time to time. So observe that these are the examples for continuous random variable. Keep learning. Wish you all the best.